Hello, traders! I'm Adelina. Welcome back to my day trading session where we going to trade live futures, YM, gold, NQ, whatever you want me to look at. I usually use support resistance, EMA 50. I like to talk about the trading psychology, consistency. So if you have any question and you want me to look and analyze a chart for you, you just let me know in the comments. Yeah, thank you for watching me. How is everybody doing? Please like if you're watching. Okay, it works. Oh, like. I am watching the Dow like usually is in front of me. I'm just waiting for more people to come. Hello, Cara. Thank you. Thank you. Let's see how it's gonna be. It's a new day. New day, new take profits. Hopefully. Okay, let's go to the charts. Okay, so I do have here some levels, but let's do it again together. Okay, and this, I think this was a level from before. Yes, this is this level. So now I'm expecting if the price come back here to act as a support, which almost came. It almost touched it. Okay, I can see the EMA 50 axis. Very nice resistance. Okay, I have this. And this. Hey, Janot. Ce faci? You don't have school today? The school? I mean, I don't know if probably it's... Okay, so yeah, let's see. This is the opening, so let me just mark the opening right here. In 5 minutes. Yeah, let's see. Oh, okay. Tutte, paparute. Okay, the price did break the EMA right here. If I want a long, I want a rejection from above of the EMA to go into a long. The trend is downtrend, so we can look for shorts. Oh, Senhak, you back. Welcome back. Where have you been all last week? Did you note all last week I did not have not even one stop loss, all full TP. Did you note in that in your book? I had like 8 full TPs. Maybe that's why I had the full TP, because you weren't here. Now that you're here, who knows? I'm joking. I am joking. Okay, so yeah, that's right now it's the opening. It's in opening range. Let's see if I have a rejection of a EMA from above. But let's see what is gold doing. The golden gold. Here we go. It's touching this area right here. Let's see if it's gonna reject this area and go till here. Yeah, I'm expecting to go down. It break the trend line. Let's see. Bine, Ionuț. Unde pleci? Okay, so yeah, I have the rejection. Let's wait for the price to go below the EMA and maybe we go in a short. Tutte paparute, tutte paparute, tutte. I want to go in a short on a gold. Maybe another rejection. Let's wait and see. What are you guys watching? Hey Navaraj, how are you? How are your exams? You finished with it? Yo, he said yo. Hey. You finish it today successfully? Okay, let's see. It's going below the EMA. Good job. So you're getting back to trading now that you finish with your exams. at work. Be right back. Okay. I'll be here for the next hour. So today, I just started, so nothing yet. Last week was a great week. Literally was a great week. But I cannot get into my head. I like this. I don't know if you guys, this is says F your bad vibes. It smells so good. It's almost done. I always like to put it on me and around the office. F your bad vibes. So if somebody's with the bad vibes, I do this. No, someone when I cry, they set me free. Don't know that this bad dreams, maybe on the other side. So yeah, last week was amazing. But I hope I'm not too much into my head, because when you are too confident, it's not good either. But usually it's okay, 1 week, 1 week. And you saw it down. That you're waiting for something physical. Okay, is this a EMA rejection? Let's see if it breaks this. Without you, I be sipping in a bad dreams. There's no you and I. No song when I cry. I love you and I need you to set me free. Bad dreams, lady on the other side. No song when I cry. I love you and I need you to set me free. So guys, I did made a Telegram group. If you're not aware of, everybody was asking me, which is funny because I made a Telegram group. Me and Telegram parallel. I made a Telegram group and then I don't know how to open the chats for everybody. And I still did not figure it out how. So I made basically a discussion in a Telegram group, which is also kind of a group that you also have to join that. Which one did you join? The one that you can talk? Send her back? That you have your chat open? That's so complicated. No, we can. Yeah, let me share the link for the chat one. Întoarce dacă mi că pare ok, oricum faci tot ce vrei. Nu ești făcuță, iubești, tu vrei să greșești, nu știu cine ești, nu ești ce pare a fi. Poate ți se por la fel într-o zi. You have to open to public, but I don't know how. That's the thing. I don't know how to open to public, that one. It doesn't allow me. I Google it. I still can find it. You think I did not Google it? I Google it, but it doesn't show me on my... I don't have those options that Google said. And look, for example, right now, I post on a group, Let's Trade Fire, right? So I post there, but my post showed in a boat, groups. So it's connected. The chat is connected to that group, but whatever, I don't know. Financial group will be monitored by Telegram. Anyway, you can join the chat one if you want to share. But I don't think because I didn't have an option to choose if it's a financial or whatever. Whatever. It don't matter. We solved it. Oh, okay. Look, look. You see, I talked and guys, what am I doing? Okay, let's stop loss here. Take profit too. Let's see. What's your opinion about ICT? I don't know so much about ICT, but I think from what I know, it's very similar. Like all those ICT concept, it's basically the same concept as price action. They just call it differently. But the base is kind of very, very similar. What do you guys think? Did you get my gold analysis? No. Where? Where did you put it? Where did you send it to me? Remember, I can't see your messages. I did not check my private Instagram. Just price action. So what I was looking is, so I have this here, this area here, this white line. I'm gonna tell you exactly what is my analyze. I see here the price did break the trend line. It break the trend line. Here I have a resistance, so the price react this resistance, and in order for me to go in a short, I need to break this line, and then I will go on for a short. Can you suggest an indicator for price action? But you can use the same indicators like the ICT indicators, because for example, in price action, we call it support and resistance. In ICT, they call it order block, supply, demand. How do they call it in ICT? It's the same areas, basically. You both waiting for an area to reach. I did not check, Victor. So it's very similar. Very similar. They just call it differently. Like, for example, if you see a fake out, what do they call it? Liquidity grab. But you call it a fake breakout, and the price is just gonna turn around. Um, Consolidation, accumulation, same thing. Same thing. Exactly. Look, Parham, the strategy is the same. They just different terms. How to avoid stop loss hunting? You just wait for the confirmation. You see a break of the area, you just wait for the confirmation to retest that area. If it doesn't retest it, that's a stop loss hunt. It's gonna go back up or back down. The confirmation, that's the only thing you avoided. If you have more confirmations, that's great. More than one confirmation. Two confirmations, depends. That's why I use the EMA, that's one of my confirmation, and then the retest. That's another confirmation. But whoever invent this ICT, because this ICT I think is pretty new comparing with the price action. Price action, they use it for many, many years. I think ICT it's a pretty new concept. So somebody invented that based on a price action. And I'm sure they made a bunch of money for that. Smart, very smart move. And of course, I think they do. I don't know exactly everything about it, but I think they did add extra things that are probably great, like fair value gaps. That is. I don't know. That's not in a price action. It is? No, I don't think it is. So that's an ICT concept. Victor, join my Telegram and you can send me there because remember I cannot accept your messages on Instagram for whatever reason. And um, on my personal account, sometimes I even forget to enter. So you can join the Telegram and write there everything you want. There is also gap and windows in price actions. What's your opinion? I never heard about that dumb money concept. You can tell me about that. I don't know. Dumb money concept. What do you think about Adelina she trades fire concept? I don't know. Oh, I missed this EMA rejection. And I said I want to wait for it. Oh, jeez. Damn, patina shattered. Exactly. Just use support resistance. Let me tell you guys, when I first started, I looked into a lot of things, into a lot of strategies, into I used to like indicators. I'm like, oh, if I find the right indicators that give me the right and I can manage it and do something, I'll be the best, right? So I will look in things that has indicators based on indicators. Oh, if this indicator is like this and this is like that, um, uh, I will I'll be successful, and also my mind will be like this, full of all this information, so many informations, and it will be a mess. And then I stopped, and I heard a lot. I used to watch a lot of traders interviews uh, from a lot of prop firms. They have those interviews, and a lot of it are really actually very uh, very nice. And majority of them, everybody will say symbolize it, symbolize it, that's the trick, symbolize it, symbolize it, symbolize it. I'm like, okay, let's see what I symbolize, how can I symbolize it. And I think also I saw an interview with the Einstein of the Wall Street. He has like a funny looking, and he said that's all he uses. He says support resistance, RSI, EMA, and WAP. That's all he uses, and the strategy is all around those simple things. I'm like, okay, I need to simplify it for me. And once I simplify it, everything just went smooth. Hey, bad Giuliano, what do you say about the gold? Yeah, so I did an analyze about the gold. I have this resistance here. The price did touch and resist it rejected it, but I have this here, this area here that's also um, a resistance before. So let's see, it looks like it became support. So my strategy was, I see a rejection here, wait for the price to go below the EMA, and because it's so close to this area, I want to cross this. I want to cross this area and go for a short. To go for a long, I'm waiting to break this area and retested it. And probably it's gonna go somewhere. Let me see this. What is somewhere here where the downtrend started, you see? So if it breaks this area, we can go till somewhere here, the highest. If this was a great and a nice EMA rejection, this is not a nice EMA rejection because it went below and it went a lot, I could go for a buy, but it's not. Parhan, I will get back to you about the discount. I did talk to them and they will get back to me today. I'll share it with you. No worries. If I have it, I'll share it. US30. Okay, so this is YM, but it's the same like US30. What is it going on? It's going up. We missed this entry right here, the EMA rejection, guys. We missed it. It is what it is. Let me. There's no my This is US30. This is gold. You probably have Forex broker. This is just gold. This is on a future size. Narvaraj, this is gold. And this is US30. but on a future size, which I'm gonna post a video today, the futures versus Forex, why I'm choosing futures versus Forex. It's the same chart, the same technical analysis, the same. It's just different names and yeah, it's same. Let's see, there's gonna have a every time I see gold, I feel like I'm seeing the angel of death. Am reușit tot să faceți pe cele bune, eu mă pe românii, nu mă gândesc numai la tine. I'm looking for a long on a US30. It break this area. If I consider this a retest, let me see how this close and maybe just go for a long. Or just wait for a little retest here. Hey Gurje, how are you? Mă gândesc numai la tine. Is chasing Asia liquidity. Mă gândesc numai la tine. I am great. Thank you for asking. Are you new? No, I'm gonna go for a short. Bum, bum, bum. I'm good. Okay, why did I got in? Look here, this area right here at the opening. Just forget about those. It break the opening and retested it right here. So, yeah. Why they don't get me in, man? Gurje, are you new? Crezut ca mai rănit, dar tot nu ai suferit. Pam, pam, pam. Pam, pam, pam. Let's see what is gold doing. Okay, gold break this area. Let's see if it gives us a retest. So go for a long. So yeah, this is a two. This. Hey, Jason. Kanenanalo. 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 Because of trend repeating. What do you mean? Let's see if they give me a retest of this and then go up. It doesn't move the same, you're saying? Didn't give me the retest yet, so do that. Man, I don't know what you're saying, do that. Kanenanalo. How are you? I'm good. Ready to start another week. You can use magnet and ray tool to draw trend line. This? How do you do it? I don't know how to use weak magnet. Said I will come back tomorrow. Me too. I'll be here. I guess I'm old school. I just take it and draw with what I see. English, Polish, or Spanish? I don't speak Polish. I speak English, Romanian, and Spanish. Și tu ai plecat a dezechilibra. Aveai nevoie de ploaie ca să mă schimbi. Cu o privire ai venit să mă convingi. Oh, dude for a girl. I don't know, Victor. You need to learn how to talk with the ladies. You don't call them dude or bro or yo. You call them nice. Hello, miss, lady. Not lady, yeah. Or just by name, dude. Let's see if it gonna gives us a retest of the trend line. What is gold doing? Doesn't want to give me the rejection yet? No. No retest, no entry. Tu ai plecat și ce mai rămas ca amintire. 1 hour. Te-am scris în tatuajele mele. Te-am băgat în... Hai mă, come on, touch my entry. Okay, have a good day at work. Learn about creating screens with AI and later creating screeners. I don't know nothing about that, but you can tell me about it. Okay, so strong magnet and ray tool in the first option of tools. Ray. Okay, so. Okay. Smart. Let's do a practice. Okay, so you put the ray here. You just, yeah, I like ray. And what does the magnet do? Let me see, strong magnet. What is this magnet do? Try to hit stop loss in Dow Jones. Guru, you want me to hit stop loss? I'm not even in. They didn't even put me in. I'm waiting to see. Who's trying to hit the stop loss? Guru. Not even in. My entry is aggressive. I'm waiting for the retest of this trend line. I'm not even in, guys. I'm not in. This is where I'm supposed to be in. Like after this, right? So somewhere here, I wanted to get in, but it did not catch me. Let me see if I have another retest of this area and I'll go in. Oh, okay. Okay, Naraj. I'll practice. Let's put a Fibonacci here. Here is a Fibonacci. Let's see if it's gonna touch that area first. The entry was, if it was, supposed to be somewhere here, like after the retest, but after this rejection. Maybe it's gonna retest this. Many retailers are trapped here. Where here? To go for a long or for a short? Why it didn't give me a nice retest of this area gold? When did you get a sale? I thought it would go straight and took a sale, but okay, I think this is a rejection. What is going on too? De la mama, de la tata, la coluye. Let's see. I send you my trade, my analysis for hourly of gold. Let's see, Navarra. You send me. Oh, here we go. Oh, on 1 hour. So you're waiting for the Fibonacci to go back to the Fibonacci? But I think it break that structure already, didn't it? Yeah, it break this. So not yet. Fibonacci. Mm-hmm. This is mine. My trend line is a little different than yours. Yours goes like this, which I don't like this. Like this goes yours. Mine goes like this. This is my trend line. You can see it break, retest it here and go up. And this now a new trend line. It break. It did not retest yet. Maybe it's gonna go back here. Nurani make my mood jamto. De când ești cu mine eu sunt cel mai pe pământ, cel mai fericit de pe pământ. Yeah, I think we wait to come to this and see what's going on here. I'm waiting to see if it's gonna give me a retest of the EMA and on this area for a long. If not, for a short cross below the EMA, a retest of the area from below. You know, I called this one this morning. I said it, but I got busy. I said, let's a retest of the EMA. He break the EMA. Let's wait from above here. It happened, but we got busy and I forgot about it. It happens. It happens. Și am încercat și eu la fel. Dar tu nu m-ai iubit de fel cum te iubeam eu. Și acum încerc și eu la fel să joc și eu. Tu te-ai iubit pe tine, nu mai iubit pe nimeni. Okay. Dar tu nu m-ai iubit de fel cum te iubeam eu. Tu nu încerca și eu la fel. Și eu să joc și eu. Okay. I'm in a buy. I hope I don't regret this. But hey, I can trade and sing at the same time. Oh, I can. Oh, I need to. This music helps me dealing with losses, you know, because your brain doesn't, you have a little of, not adrenaline. I have a lapsus. How you call the hormone? Dopamine. So music gives you a dopamine, and if you have a stop loss, it's a drop of dopamine. So you listening music and dancing and enjoying it, it kind of balance, so you don't feel as bad. That's a trick for real. I'm not joking. But you need to listen to what you like. I got you. I will become a singer then. Are you new here? Zglobic. Zglobic. Um, yeah, it's almost 11, guys. This is my entry. Why did I got here? I see it as a retest of this area right here. Even though my area is a little lower, I can also consider it here, right here. And I saw a W pattern with the neck right here, where is the blue line. So I put my stop loss. My stop loss is kind of far. My stop loss supposed to be somewhere here, just below the EMA, and take profit. Let me just adjust it. Take profit 2. Here is the 2. Yeah, I don't risk so much, $100. I usually risk 250, 300, but I place my stop loss bad. So yeah, that's the entry. Hopefully it's gonna go. I'm also in the same. I use vitamin D for good mood. We need a sun for that. We need a sun for that. So let's see if it's gonna go. Hello, Alpesh. I am good. How you doing? Also, I want to watch when it's approaching this area right here. A beer for the pills, a beer for the pill, yeah. I want to go a little bit, the price to move a little bit more up so I can move my stop loss. Glory. Oh, I love this. Glory. Glory. Glory to everybody. What is the target for you with W normally? I usually go for a 2, but I put my stop loss, and in this case, I put my stop loss below the EMA, and I usually go for a 2 because I expect the price, if something, to react to the EMA. So it's a 2. And it's kind of just below the start, the W start. So it kind of matches. Yes, I'm in a trade. I'm in a long, Alpesh. I also used the ATR. I don't know if you guys know, for the stop loss. So if I got in on this candle, my stop loss will be with the ATR will be just below the W, where the W start. I just give it a little bit more space to breathe and put it below the EMA, but I'm expecting it to move it very soon if the trade goes in my way. To be very honest, very, very honest, I'm not very confident about this trade. I'm not 100% confident just because I wanted the retest to be of this area right here. Let me mark it. This. But it gave me a retest of this one right here. So I saw the W and I'm like, okay, let's just see. But if it was to give me the retest of this area or an EMA, I'll be more confident in it. I am a little confident. I'm not like 0% confident. And you can see I did not risk 200 like I usually risk. But you're right, Alpesh. You're right. I should have not if I don't feel confident. I want one moment in time. Trend line sell side, yeah. Hopefully, hopefully retested it. You will have sold here. You will have been sold here. For me to go into a sell, I need the price to be below the EMA. To go in a short. But again, I'm not very confident in this trade. I'll just let it do his thing. The very end, I want it all. No time for this. Now, Globic, are you new? I am in one moment in time. I thought I could be. Am I what? New to my channel. I never you. Oh, okay. Welcome. Where are you from? Oh, here we go. NQ. Europe. Where Europe? It's Globic. I'm also from Europe. or EU, DE was the Denmark. You're testing my geography now. Germany, okay. I am from Romania, Globic. You are looking for price action and Q. Interesting. Interesting. I do trade YM more than NQ, so I'm not. Guruje, Barcelona. Barcelona. Okay, let's see here. If it gives me a rejection here, I'll be very grateful. If not, we take the loss and we come back tomorrow. Because again, in a perfect world, and in a perfect mindset, or in a perfect mindset trading, this is what I will be waiting for. You see, a rejection of this area right here and a EMA. And now if the price go just above right here, that will be a beautiful buy. But I was rushing into, and I made my own rules. I'm like, okay, this is a W, this is might be a rejection, so go in. But my strategy, who knows me, is this: break and retest of the area. Staring, losing my mind. Okay, here it is. It touch? No, not yet. It will touch. Sipping in a patty. I think don't take trade today. No, I'm not taking. This is the. I think don't take. Like you saying about building your own rules. Yeah, sometimes you just. I don't know if you guys have those. I have a strategy with a very clear rules. And like I said before, that will be my rules. Retest of this area. If it does give me a retest, a price below the EMA. But I made my own rules here. It happens. Sola Lopez. Something now, just a miracle is gonna save this trade. Yeah. So you guys know, for those who are new, I'm not here as a guru. Sosa Lopez. I'm not here as a guru or I pretend to be this perfect traders. You're gonna see here losses too. Winners and losses, like it's 100% real. And what I suggest, I didn't. No, it's not. I'm still alive. um. So if you're new to my channel, what I suggest to people that watch me is, if my analysis matches yours, go in a trade, but don't go just because I go in a trade, because I'm also human. And even though I trade for like 5 years now, I still make mistakes and I still make things in my head, especially live trading, because it's a pressure. I don't want to, but it is a pressure to take trades. You feel like, okay, I'm live, I cannot be boring, I need to take a trade. So it's also that pressure too. But if my analysis matches yours, go ahead, do the trade. But if it doesn't, don't follow me. Okay? Era nuevo en el trading. Yo no soy nueva. Yo 5 años. ¿Tú? Yeah, here we go. That's all, guys. I'm gonna watch the gold just because I want to see what is he doing. And I'll see you tomorrow. No, that's okay. Okay, let's see the Nifty for Alpesh. Nifty 50. But when I do my analysis for you, Alpesh, do you actually inteligente? Sí. Sí, hablo español, my friend. Hablo español. Okay, so you can see Nifty is around this area. Okay, this is this. Would I look for a short? I'll look for a short if cross below the EMA. So probably, yes, I look for a short just below this white line. Because remember I told you before, it did not fill this completely, the gap. Usually the price like to fill the gaps when it's a gap like this. So if it crosses below, we probably want to fit the gap, fill the gap. ¿De dónde vienes? ¿De dónde vienes, Soso López? And for a long, wait to break this area. ¿De qué país eres? ¿Yo? Yo soy de Rumanía, pero vivo en Miami. I'm from Romania, but I live in Miami. ¿Tú? ¿Cómo me encontraste? Zglobi, how did you find me? Soho López, ¿cómo me encontraste? ¿Cómo me encontraste? Yeah, so Alpesh, I'm talking to you now. Wait for break and retest of this blue area. I don't like this big wig here, this red wig, and if the price gets back to this blue line where the wig happened, definitely look for a sell. And yeah, and also look for a sell if it crosses this white line. That's what I will look. Reject and price below the EMA and also break this consolidation. Oh, yeah. That's it. Okay, my friends. Una colombiana, una venezolana, una venezolana. I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow, same hour, 10 o'clock Eastern time. Hopefully, Oh, hopefully with a better trade. Globic, thank you for watching me, and I hope to see you tomorrow too. Soho Lopez, gracias por visitar mi YouTube. Suscríbete, subscribe, please. And nos vemos mañana en la misma hora, 10. 10. We'll see you guys tomorrow, 10 o'clock. And you can follow me on Instagram. Let me put it here. That's my Instagram. She Trades Fire. My Instagram, okay? Bye. Bye, bye, bye.